Monsoon hits Maharashtra and Mumbai is experiencing heavy rainfall. Rainfall across the maximum city has been seen since yesterday. Waterlogging has been reported in many areas, forcing people to wade through knee-deep water as vehicular movement was disrupted. Central Railway stopped due to waterlogging at Kurla. Heavy rainfall also caused traffic snarls and jams at many places. The Met Department has termed these pre-monsoon showers. The Met Department has also asked that the sky would remain cloudy with moderate rain and thunder showers in city and suburbs region. The high tide is also predicted at 11:43 a.m., which would be 4.16 meters high.
It's just the first day of rains in Mumbai, and this is the condition of Mumbai. Little bit of rains and you can see there is heavy traffic jam on the Western Express Highway where I'm located. It is not really because of too much of waterlogging, but because of the sheer fact that the entire traffic is moving very slow, that you can see that the entire Western Express Highway is moving very slow paced. In fact, on the Eastern Express Highway, there are a few spots like the Sion Express at the Sion where the entire waterlogging has happened. In Mumbai, on the western side, there's not much of waterlogging that has really happened as yet, but there is slow-moving traffic that Mumbaikars will have to brace up while heading for their offices when the unlocking has started. With cameraman Vijay Desai in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
Mustafa Sheikh reporting from Worli Sea Face in Mumbai is now joining us. Mustafa, now the thing is that when monsoon is not new to Mumbai, it happens every year and waterlogging happens every year too. The solution is the right kind of drainage systems that you make alongside road, which you see in areas like Colaba and the areas which the Britishers had built back in the day have a proper drainage system. So those areas never get waterlogged. And the rest of the city, the BMC, on a war footing for many years, needed to solve with the drainage system. Looks like they've done nothing.
Well, I think the situation is different in different areas, as you were saying rightly, because we visited the Hind Mata area, which is also a low-lying area of Mumbai, but because the BMC has built a connecting bridge between two flyovers, the central road services for traffic was running smooth from Sion towards town. People were able to reach even in spite there was waterlogging on the lows, which were on the lower end. So these are situations. For example, if you look at Sion, yes, there is still waterlogging, and Central Railway is still suffering from waterlogging, and hence the services has been stopped. The other reason we said that the drainage system will not function if there is a high tide, and what we are seeing is that by till 11:43 a.m., like 40 minutes more to go, there will be a high tide of about 4 meters in the Arabian Sea, and this will make the efforts of draining out water from areas of Mumbai difficult, and hence at the low-lying areas we are getting to see what we call as the waterlogging in many areas, and this is also in the suburbs because the forecast clearly suggests that certain areas in the suburbs of Mumbai can receive very heavy rainfall, but the general heavy rainfall warning is there for Mumbai, for Raigad, adjoining districts for 3 to 4 days. And the arrival of monsoon has been this way in Mumbai this year, that it has been raining heavily since 7 a.m. on Wednesday morning, and hence people are being advised that check traffic on the routes where you want to travel. If there's a traffic jam, then don't venture out. Back to you.
Absolutely. So that's the advisory that's coming in as well. Vidya also joins us. Vidya, what's the situation as far as Mumbai suburbs is concerned? You're reporting from Andheri subway, and that's an area which is known to be waterlogged, and traffic snarls are something which is very frequent regardless of the rains. How's the situation in Andheri, in Mumbai?
Well, it certainly is, Chetty. In fact, the moment it rains in Mumbai, one goes on to see at Andheri subway if there's water logging, and that's exactly what we see right here. You can see the entire water-logged Andheri subway. It looks more like a river rather than a road, and thankfully the trains on the Western Express Highway, on the Western Railway line are actually running. The Western Express Highway is very slow moving because of waterlogging and inundation in certain areas. and certainly it's the same in the eastern side as well. The Central Railway and that is certainly been hurt because of water inundation in several areas like Sion, Kurla. The railway tracks have been inundated, and because of this, the trains have been, the trains are not running as scheduled. Because of these, trains are not between Sion and Kurla. The trains are not running. It is between Kurla and CST and Sion and beyond that the trains are running, but not between that. And so, commuting to this part of Mumbai, the South Mumbai area from central region is something that is difficult. But you can see this daredevil person who in spite of the heavy downpour and the fact that policemen are standing by asking people not to move into such areas which are extremely difficult for people to wade through, he is still wading through, and that's the reason why people, he's being rebuked, he's being scolded by the policemen as to why did he have to really go through this entire water inundation. Look at the force of the water. It's certainly something that should have been avoided, but this person did not really take care and he just tried to brave out. So certainly there are such daredevils that you see in Mumbai who, in spite of warning from authorities, do try their luck and just to wade through and just to see to it that they reach their destination as early as possible.
Absolutely. And they say Mumbai is a place where life just goes on. But the fact of the matter is Mumbaians don't have a choice, but life has to go on despite what you see on your screens. In the drainage systems, big questions arising on whether the BMC has managed to create them or not in other parts of the city outside of South Bombay. Now, moving on. Breaking news coming in.